Hi and welcome back. This is my new project with BAP stationery. So it is with the kit HALE Herbology, and you can find it on our coffee shop. I will leave the link in the description below. So my idea was to recycle some jeans and some cardboard that I had from a granola bar box. So my idea was to use this piece of jeans and to use the kit inside, of course. Now this kit is very pretty and it has a lot of nice green and minty and lots of herbs in it. It's really versatile. I have 5 signatures, and there will be lots of ephemera that I will be making. So this is great that I can actually recycle some more cardboard. Now I will show you a little bit what it looks like. And the ephemera, there's so much. I had a good time putting everything in the book. So they are tea, birds, flowers, herbs, concoctions. I hope you will be joining me for the rest of this little project. I will have a few more videos and I will leave you to watch this little presentation, I suppose. Naturally, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And if you have ideas to propose, I'm all ears. So thank you, and I hope you'll enjoy this little walkthrough of the kit. See ya!